Types of data. If I ask you to visualize a data set, most of us would imagine a table, maybe an Excel table, with rows and columns. That's how we see a data set. That's how data has always been. Till recently. All this data was what is called structured data. Increasingly we are dealing with new kinds of data: audio data, video data, text data, social media data, sensor data. All this data is unstructured data, and this is not in a standard tabular format. Traditional analytics tools and platforms have not been designed to deal with this kind of data. The term structured data generally refers to data that has a defined length and format for big data. Examples of structured data include numbers, dates, and groups of words and numbers called strings. Structured data is the data you're probably used to dealing with. It's usually stored in a database. Unstructured data include text, video, audio, mobile activity, social media activity, satellite imagery, surveillance imagery, the list goes on and on. Unstructured data is difficult to deconstruct because it has no predefined model, meaning it cannot be organized in relational databases. So, traditional analytics tools and platforms are not used to define unstructured data.
Be it banking, communication, healthcare, media, advertising, manufacturing, transportation, and retail. Big data can be used everywhere, and this is why more and more businesses are trying to harness its power. Classification is essential for the study of any subject, so big data is widely classified into three main types, which are structured, unstructured, and semi-structured data. Structured data. Structured data is used to refer to the data which is already stored in databases in an ordered manner. It accounts for about 20% of the total existing data and is used the most in programming and computer-related activities. There are two sources of structured data: machines and humans. All the data received from sensors, web logs, and financial systems are classified under machine-generated data. These include medical devices, GPS data, data of usage statistics captured by servers and applications, and the huge amount of data that usually move through trading platforms, to name a few. Human-generated structured data mainly includes all the data that humans input into computers, such as names and other personal details. When a person clicks a link on the internet or even makes a move in a game, data is created. This can be used by companies to figure out their customers' behavior and make the appropriate business decisions and modifications. Unstructured data. While structured data resides in the traditional row-column databases, unstructured data is the opposite. They have no clear format in storage. The rest of the data created, about 80% of the total, account for unstructured big data. Most of the data a person encounters belong to this category, and until recently, there was not much to do except storing it or analyzing it manually. Unstructured data is also classified based on its source, machine-generated or human-generated. Machine-generated data accounts for all the satellite images, the scientific data from various experiments, and radar data captured by various facets of technology. Human-generated unstructured data is found in abundance across the internet, since it includes social media data, mobile data, and website content. This means that the pictures we upload to Facebook or Instagram handle, the videos we watch on YouTube, and even the text messages we send, it all contributes to the gigantic heap that is unstructured data. Semi-structured data. The line between unstructured data and semi-structured data has always been unclear, since most of the semi-structured data appear to be unstructured at a glance. Information that is not in the traditional database format as structured data, but contains some organizational properties which make it easier to process, are included in the semi-structured data. For example, no SQL documents are considered to be semi-structured, since they contain keywords that can be used to process the document easily. Big data analysis has been found to have definitive business value, and its analysis and processing can help a company achieve cost reductions and dynamic growth. So it is imperative that you do not wait too long to exploit the potential of this excellent business opportunity.
Have you ever wondered how much of the world's data is unstructured? The fact is, 80% of the world's data is unstructured. As businesses started to use more and more unstructured data, they felt a need for different tools, different databases and different platforms. And that's how big data came about. To summarize, big data refers to a subset within analytics that deals with unstructured data, massive data sets, and data coming at high velocity.